So when did Papa Fred get into the business? This one.
That's when you were around. That was before me, old lady. It was before me, old lady.
Well, it was obviously before me too, but he got involved originally in the early 70s. He went to the University of Florida, took a little hiatus to spend some time in the U.S. Navy during the Vietnam War, and then came back and finished his degree at the University of Florida. And then came back and got involved. Something that was really common in car dealerships and probably a lot of other family-owned businesses back then was if you had a successor or a potential successor. You know, you had our grandparents were running the store at the time, and their son obviously had graduated from college, maybe was coming along, showing some interest. It was very common to send them to another car dealership to get some experience on their own. And kind of, I think it was treated a little bit like a proving ground. You know, you don't think you're just going to come in here and it's going to be handed to you. So he did spend some time in Jacksonville at a couple of different dealerships up there, and worked his way through selling cars and being a sales manager and things like that before he came back to Bozard Ford. But by the mid to late 70s, he was operating the store on his own, and it was a really interesting dynamic. I always felt like Pop kind of just, once he was ready to make that transition, he just kind of left him there.
Yeah,
it was like, there wasn't some,
nice little.
There wasn't like some long drawn out period where they worked really intertwined. It was like they prepared him and made sure he was ready, and then they just kind of let him run with it.